Welcome to another day of Tete World, where drama is real and everyone is fluffy. Today, you are about to witness something very special. I play with my mother and my tiny little sibling. Yes, chaos is coming. Yes, the small one. He used to be very weak. This is my younger brother. When he was very weak, I was very worried. But now, look at him. Strong, active, and still a little naughty. So today, I decided to clean him properly because I am not just a brother. Here's my mother. Her name is Sese. She is the boss of this house. Don't tell her I said that I am. Before any serious playing, we must prepare. Cleaning face, cleaning paws, looking beautiful. Even my mother Sese joins the beauty routine. And now, the real mission starts. This little brother only wants one thing, milk. Even after all this time, he still tries. Bro, you are not a baby anymore. My mother, Sese, tries to stop him, she thinks. Maybe if I distract him with playing. Nice try, Mom, but this guy has only one goal in life. Now everything is happening at once. Playing, running, jumping, and still drinking milk. And listen carefully. That tiny brrr sound, yes, that is happiness. My younger sister, very playful, very energetic, and very annoying. We don't play, we fight every single time. To be honest, my size does not match with her. I am bigger, stronger, more powerful, but she doesn't care. She attacks me anyway. So now, we fight, we roll, we jump. This is not playing anymore. This is war. about 5 seconds. And then, I did what any responsible older sister would do. I bit my little sister. Just a small bite. Okay, maybe not that small. But my mother Sese saw everything, and she did not approve. Mom came immediately and punished me. Yes, I got the famous Sese bite. After the great family drama, everyone calms down. Now Sese is playing with the 2 kittens. And look at Mom go. She is playing like a kitten herself. But wait, Sese is watching carefully. She knows one thing. If Tete comes back, trouble will start again. And guess what? I'm back. I just came to play. Totally innocent, I promise. Maybe. Within 3 seconds, another fight begins. Now we are climbing the tree, jumping, chasing, rolling everywhere. This is not a playground. This is a jungle. To be honest, we fight all the time. But that's just how we play, because even with all the fights, we still love each other. And that's today's story in Tete World. Family, drama, milk, and fights. See you in the next episode, if I survive.